this is just to prove that nothing gets us down. So I've got my broken wing and I'm trying to work my other arm. So you'll have a laugh if I fall off the bench. Right, here goes. Right, fly. See how this goes.
Go on.
Oh, that hurts when you've only got one arm.
Go.
Right, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Single arm rotational pull down. No excuses. Broken arms, broken legs.
Don't make me laugh.
Makes no difference. We can find more pain for you. Come on. That's it. Come on. Use that bicep.
You're filming, I'm not getting any help.
Use that bicep. Come on, pull it down. Full stretch. Drive down. Good one. Come on. Come on, one more. And back up slow. Release it slow. Release it slow. 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 And well.
Right, let's see if I can do this.
Okay. It's kind of working those biceps. Or the bicep. Sorry. Come on. Tie tabs. That's it. Drive up. Good. Come on. Single arm suspension training. Curls.
Oh, good grief.
Come on. Come on, there's no nana arms in this gym.
Last one.
Come on. Come on. Go on, pull.
Oh.
Okay. No bingo wings.
All over.
One arm overhead. Tricep extension on a rope.
Please no. No. Rocking onto the toes.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. Use your core. Come on, Anne. Come on. That's it. Lock it out.
Neck. Oh. Does that look good?
Yeah, that's fine. Off you go. That's not bad. That's it. Squeeze that bicep in.
Ow.
That's it.
Tries aren't bad though. Can't really see it.
No, you can't see it on this camera. Too much.
Oh.
There you go. Not a bad tricep, that.
What, for an old person?
For an old
bird?
For an old bird with a broken
With
wing.
one arm. Triceps aren't
It's
bad.
not bad, that at all. That's not looking back and seeing you hardly train for months.
That's not bad.
That's not bad at all. We'll accept that.
Get in there.